see, I got the round baler behind me, and we're bringing it home. And once we get around this corner up here, you'll be able to see the rake and the tractor. But we're done with first crop. We chopped roughly, I don't know, 45 acres. Between 40 and 45 acres. And we round baled the rest. We got 315 round bales. And that's pretty good. We got it all made in good shape. No rain on it and really dry. First time we made this hay, this amount of good hay, this fast, since 2012. The only reason we made good hay that year is because it was a drought. And as we're making this video, it's pretty dry right here. There's got a 50% chance of rain today, and that's the last chance of rain in a long time. So I guess we're probably going to drought this year too. Whatever. Rains all spring every day, and then snap of a finger it shuts off and it's not raining. Oh well. This is a 567 round baler, if you're wondering. I don't know, it has almost 13,000 bales on it. Now you should be able to see the rake. Way over there. The camera looks like it's far away, but it's really not. That's the little 40x40 and the H&S wheel rake, 12 wheel. So that's just a quick update. First crop is done. Now I gotta spray corn. So yeah, I don't know when I'll post this video, but it's June 8th. June 8th at like 9:30 in the morning. So anyway. It only took me a couple minutes to pass. That's funny right there.